So in front of me I've got Kingdom Come Deliverance. In this video I'll show you how to haggle. In order to haggle, firstly let's go to the trader, hook trade, and make sure that your reputation is high. It will be easier to haggle when your reputation is higher. Now let's find something you would like to buy. For example, let's buy some food. Add to basket. And now go to basket. Press and hold X button to haggle.
Can we do something about the price? Why not?
As you can see on the left side, on the top we've got our current amount of money. Here is the maximum we can pay, and here is the minimum we can pay. Let's start with 6 gold, make offer.
Is this enough?
And as you can see, the trader's mood is getting bad. He gave us counter offer, we can accept it, and if we want to haggle again, we have to be cautious, because if we make the trader angry, he will refuse to trade with us. So in this case, let's accept his offer.
Oh, that's a decent price.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.